Alright guys, so we have these LED headlights right here. We're going to open it up, and in the box it comes with some nice gloves. That way your oils from your hands don't get on the actual bulbs, and that way they'll last longer. It tells you the types that they are, and then it also comes with an installation video and a manual. So this is everything that comes in the kit, and then of course the actual bulbs themselves. So let's go install these with our gloves. I'll meet you out at the truck. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install this, and it's a really simple process. We're going to just come in here, and we are going to... Here's my stock bulbs, and then here's our nice new LED one, and then we're going to go like this right here. Pops in, and then it's as simple as you just line up for your grooves and then give it a twist. Kind of hard to see, but there it is. All right, and then we're done. So let's go to the other side. All right, it's the same process on the other side. So a simple twist. All right, there's my old one. Make sure we line it up. Alright, there it is, securely in the connector. And now we're just going to insert it back in the hole and give it a twist. So here's my new light. So before I didn't have LEDs, and so this is so much brighter, and this is my low beams that I replaced. And then I also have LEDs on my high beams, so much brighter. So this is off, on, and you can pretty much see everything that you need to, even without the high beams. So this is the same company that gave me my high beams. So there's my high beams and low beams again. Again, we just replaced my low beams, and they are so much better, so much brighter. High, low. Highly recommend. Easy install, just quick plug and play. So simple, so easy. Thanks guys.